Hello everyone! We add power speed to the bike with the help of an electric motor, more precisely a screwdriver. We installed two conventional cordless screwdrivers, and that's what we got. The results blew us. It has become fast, frisky. Refillable right on the road. And much more convenient. Plus we got a small flashlight from a screwdriver. How did we install them, and what mistakes did we make during the installation, and how much did it cost us? And in general, how is it? What did the bike become during the tests? We will tell you about everything in this video. Make yourself comfortable, subscribe to our channel. On our channel on the Inventors page, we regularly release such very interesting and sometimes even revolutionary inventions and life hacks. Don't miss our episodes, subscribe and support us by clicking your thumbs up. And so we take two screwdrivers. We have chosen ordinary Chinese screwdrivers with 21-volt batteries, and we disassemble. They usually come with two batteries in the kit. We bought two screwdrivers, so we have 4 batteries. And plus many more complementary attachments. Further, in many ways, we show the video without comments as necessary. And so two screwdrivers are ready for installation. We found such rubber bushings for them. One less, one more. A small one was found in a Gazelle mini truck spare parts store. A large one at Kamaz truck. Those, it is very easy to find them. Go to the place where Gazelle and other mini trucks parts are sold. Take a screwdriver. The inner size of the sleeve will fit exactly to it. And Kamaz is not very suitable. It will rather have to be cut to size on the other side. We measure them by location. They should not interfere with the pedal. As you can see, the rubber from Kamaz truck will interfere with the pedal, so we choose the rubber from Gazelle mini truck. We cut it in the middle with an ordinary grinder. We take these nozzles from the accessories of the screwdriver. We use them so that the rubber settles smoothly, doesn't tangle. In addition, we will need rubber from an ordinary bad car camera and a piece from a bad tire. We cut the camera with a scissor and the tire with a grinder. Glue the pieces from the camera to the screwdriver. We install the screwdriver in the desired position using copper wires 2 and 2.5. They must be installed very firmly. Here's the gas ready to install. Plus and a small lamp for lighting. We will use it for a bicycle. We installed gas. Here is a lamp. Here we missed the moment we had to attach here a second lamp from a second screwdriver. Then there would be full-fledged lighting for the bicycle. That's kind of finished. It is worth noting here. At first glance, it seems that the screwdriver batteries will interfere with the legs, but this is not so. You will see this when we test them. They are located exactly where the legs do not touch them. Oh, something is wrong. You see, you noticed? The wheel hardly rotates. What a dumb head. We give the same command to both screwdrivers and they rotate in the same direction. They are on opposite sides and we need them to rotate in the opposite direction to make the wheel turn. We open the electrical tape and change the wires. We check. Now everything is correct. Everything works. We set their rigidity to the most severe degree. Let's start the test. If you ask our feeling is really cool. He surprised us for the better. It seems to us that its main advantage is gaining speed. It is much easier and faster to pick up speed on it. And there is practically no need to change the speed level of the bike itself. The screwdrivers cover this role themselves. Note, when the road is wet, the moisture spoils the friction between the tires and the speed drops. Here we have some wear. It's because of these tire crumbs.
Енді бұдан былай оның желінің азаюы керек, өйткені
Now after that, the wear should decrease as the arrays touching become much larger, and the friction should be more stable. Now we will stretch this wire again, strengthen it. Here on this side it is the same. Charging the batteries. And we go out on a hike, check the battery range and speed, and in general how our reinforced bike with dimensions will show itself. We installed this application on our smartphone. With it we will measure the speed and the range, well, at least approximately.
Аминь.
А например, Frisky ходит было-то. Находите? Ситку есть там. А теперь просто... Ну да, земля быткаса анандай. Көктемге звондабайчы. Көктемге звондабайчы анандай. Хаматтан алып келсин, аха. Көктемге звондабайчы.
Можно.
We went to Argambekov Avenue. We will go along the sidewalk, since we do not have these special bike trails. By the way, we will show you how we brought with us 2 spare batteries and pliers just in case, on a black bag. They're building beautifully. I drive purely for my convenience. I pedal, I press the gas of the screwdriver, or rather the electric motor. We disassembled the screwdriver, took the main console away from it, and rebuilt it for another purpose. So we now have it as a bicycle electric motor. The best part is that you need to pick up high speed with the electric motor and release the pedals, but not the gas. Keep the gas pressed, and that's it. Then the motor keeps the speed for a long time. Here we arrived. We are almost close to our destination, and our batteries have run out, the first pair. We installed a second pair. This is what the program shows us. I don't know why it shows 160. The range also did not go according to plan. I pressed something there at the wrong time or something, and it doesn't show the maximum speed either, but it will show it later in history. At least when I was driving looking, he showed me up to 60-70 kilometers per hour without a pedal, without my help. And so with my help we probably reached above 20 kilometers per hour. I don't know, maybe 25, maybe 30. And then we will look at the mileage on the Google map I will show you. We arrived at the intersection of Arhanbekov by Tursunov, and this is what I will show you in them bicycles specially organized by city managers. I would turn to them. So install electric motors for them, or at least screwdrivers like mine. Then people would ride them with pleasure, with entertainment, and they would not stand like this without demand. And again we offer our version from Lucky Animations. Friends, we remind you, subscribe to our channel. We have an inventors page where we release similar inventions and life hacks on different topics. And if you liked our work, insert your thumbs up, thereby you will support us. Now we will show you the cycle track of our city. A cycle track has recently been laid out from this intersection to the Dender Park. Well, one way or another, at least it is called a cycle track next to the sidewalk. You see what a bump, it seems to be built for a pedestrian, not a bicycle. There is a slight descent in this direction, so we are going without motors. Here is the Arboretum. Oppa, here are our city bikes. They put in a solar panel, I don't know why. For recharging the controller, probably. Here at least there is a demand for them. Well, you can compare it yourself. Who is cooler? Who will win if we do a race? Ours will definitely do it. You see, with dimensions, with a motor amplifier. Imagine standing here, these bicycles with motors, plus large solar panels for recharging. It would be original. Here is green transport for a green city. Well, let's go back. Here we will see his track in height. Can you see now? Bias. We go up a slight incline. What can I tell you? With the help of the motor I drive much easier than without it, and at normal speed. That's it, there is no longer cycle track. We are not afraid of crushed stone, we have a motor. We went to the other side, that side turned out to be very uneven. On this avenue there is a slight slope towards the reverse side turns. We only felt it now on the way back. The bike rides easier and faster. And here's what else: when you release the button, the automatic bicycle starts to slow down slowly due to the drive of the screwdriver. And it turns out that we rarely press the brakes. It's like Tesla, they also have automatic small brakes. I'm kidding, of course. So we pass a gas station, cars are refueled, waiting for their turn. Well, wait. While you wait, we'll drive our halfway. No costs, and as they say, no air pollution. Also, just kidding, of course. Cars, of course, have their advantages, with the bike will not make up for. Well, it's just an alternative for some cases. The second pair of batteries ran out. Although we didn't charge them fully, we didn't want to wait. Here we are now. A beautiful restaurant, isn't it? And we are already very close to our home. Then it is not scary to go without the support of the motor. We look at the program. It also shows 160, so we don't pay attention to it. Then we turn over to the travel history. Numbers 1 and 2 are there at the beginning of the road when I pressed the stop button, and we pressed number 3 now. Here we do not pay attention to the mileage. As we have already said, we started to count it incorrectly. Here you can see the maximum speed. It is 14 kilometers per hour at all stages. It measured it like that, although here it reached about 25 for sure. Further through Google Map we will see a more realistic distance of our route, shows 3.8 kilometers one way. This he even counts according to the short version, and we choose a longer but even road. Therefore you can simply round that number by 4. That is 4 kilometers roughly one way and 4 kilometers back. We get 8 kilometers total. 4 batteries, 8 kilometers. How do you like it? It seems to me normal, even excellent. Just buy 4 more batteries for $10 each and you can go anywhere. By the way, we bought a screwdriver in a complete set for $36 each. A rubber grommet for $2.8, 10 meters wire for $3.6, and that's it. The total cost of our setup will come out at $78.4. Okay, round up to $80. And if you add 4 more batteries to them for $10 each, there is a total $120. This is much cheaper than similar kits from China, which are not easy to install for an ordinary person who does not have tools, and they cost, as I have seen, from $200 and more. So according to our option, or another way, friends, use electric bicycles. This is a healthy lifestyle. Green transport. Let's green our planet. Spread this video to your friends, to everyone you know. Subscribe to our channel, insert thumbs up, support us, and we will be grateful. Good to all. Bye.